Take a look right here. I'm selecting the unlimited plan, and once we reach the checkout page, all I do is click Have a coupon code, apply the code, and hit enter. Instantly, you can see that takes $53 right off the total just by applying this exclusive discount code. If you want to claim the exact same savings, simply click the link in the video description below. That link takes you directly to our verified deals page, where you'll find the latest working Hostinger discount. Just click the copy button to grab the code, and it will automatically redirect you straight to Hostinger's official site. From there, choose whichever hosting plan fits your needs best. Head to checkout and apply the code. No matter where you are in the world or what currency you're using, this code is globally verified and works across all plans. Be sure to click the link in the description to secure your discount today. Now let's break down the different Hostinger plans so you can choose the exact right fit for your website. Whether you are launching a personal blog, setting up a business site, or building a high-traffic online store, picking the right package ensures you get the perfect balance of performance, storage, and premium features without overpaying. Every plan comes with fast SSD storage, free SSL security, and an easy-to-use control panel designed to get your site live in minutes. Higher-tier options unlock advanced tools like automated daily backups, increased bandwidth, and dedicated resources for scaling traffic seamlessly, giving you everything you need to grow your digital presence with complete confidence. Make sure to check out the link in the description to claim the maximum discount available on your plan today.